Hey, this is Chad down at Mike's Off-Road, and this is our 1987 CJ7 restoration rebuild job. This has been fully repainted with Poison Spyder side and wraparound panels, 2.5 inch lift with 33, 12, 50, 15 tires on Mickey Thompson rims. Alright, so we got you here under the hood of our 87 CJ7. This is a fully rebuilt 4.2 liter AMC motor. It's got a rebuilt carb in it. Almost everything else has been redone in this motor. Beautiful motor, runs fantastic. Alright, so got you inside our CJ7 restoration project. This vehicle has an all-new bed liner or bedrug bed carpet on the bottom and all new brand new leather Corbeau seats, front and rear. Skinny as a peach. Okay. So you got to see the inside, a little bit of exterior, the motor that's been rebuilt. So if you got a Jeep, you want some work done, bring her on down, we'll hook you up.